Today we're going to be making barbecue jackfruit baked potatoes with a side of vegan green bean casserole. The ingredients for the green bean casserole are 1 1/4 cup of almond milk, 1/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of vegetable broth powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of vegan butter, a 1/2 of a yellow onion chopped, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic minced, 3 cans of green beans, 1 1/2 cups of fried onions, and 8 ounces of button or cremini mushrooms chopped. First, you're going to want to combine your almond milk, flour, vegetable broth powder, salt, and black pepper in a bowl. Whisk it well so you don't have any lumps. Add your vegan butter to a pan, heat it up, and add your chopped onion, minced garlic, and cremini mushrooms. You're going to want to saute it until your onions become soft and your mushrooms start to brown a little. Once your onion, garlic, and mushroom mixture is ready, add your liquid to it and whisk it so you don't get any lumps or clumps. It'll start to thicken up after about 3 minutes. You'll take your 3 cans of green beans, drain the water, and combine it with your mushroom soup mixture. If it seems a little bit too thick, you can add 2 tablespoons of almond milk at a time to thin it out. Once it's mixed, add it to a casserole dish that has been sprayed and bake it in the oven at 425 for 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, you'll want to top it with your fried onions. Put it back in the oven for about 5 to 8 minutes until your onions are browned, and then it's done. The ingredients you'll need for your barbecue jackfruit baked potatoes are 2 cans of jackfruit, 1 1/2 tablespoons of liquid smoke, 1 cup of barbecue sauce, 1/4 a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 3 to 4 large baking potatoes, and any vegan toppings you like. I have some vegan shredded cheese here I'll add to the top of my baked potato. The first step will be to rinse your potatoes, poke them with a fork, wrap them in foil, and place them in the oven at 425 degrees. The potatoes will need to cook for about an hour to get soft all the way through. As the potatoes are cooking, you'll drain the brine from the cans of jackfruit, and using either your hands or a potato masher, you'll want to shred the jackfruit as if it was shredded pork or shredded beef. Once shredded, add it to a saute pan with the liquid smoke, barbecue sauce, and paprika. You'll want to saute it until it's heated through and the sauce starts to simmer. After the barbecue jackfruit simmers for about 5 minutes, you can remove it from the heat and it's ready to top onto your baked potato. We'll unwrap our baked potato. Oh, it's nice and soft. It's like perfect. And then we'll scoop our jackfruit, barbecue jackfruit in. Sprinkle on the cheese. I need like the crispy stuff on top so it looks nice and pretty.